Please look at that view. How do you like Ash?
Nice.
Yeah. It's lovely, ma. Yeah. Lovely. So, हामीले कुनतिर गरे प्रिमियम हैन? I think we paid about £78, right? यही बाटो यो सिधै सिधै आगे क्या Alright, so we chose the 90 minutes route. For 5 of us, it took £86.50p. We took that. It was right there. About 90 minutes, one way there and back. Beautiful scenery, which I'll add later on. Now though? What's the road again? We left actually at 5 o'clock. We this is afterwards, so the price for the one we took is not here, but this is the route we took. It was about, I can't remember, £17.50 for one adult. So we're aiming to go around there, one of the restaurant nearby, so let's check it out. So we ended up coming to Driftwood instead of the previous place just because pricing was better, and then this is awarded for its fish and chips. And we're just sat around the front. Cool. What's up? Boish. Naughty. Naughty, naughty. Naughty.